Hi everyone, from Corey's Computer Repair. Today we have a customer's computer that would not power on or even shut down by holding the power button for 5 to 10 seconds. So checking the cable, what I found was this connector here, which is the F panel connector from the motherboard that's supposed to go to the cables going up to the power button. Well, looking at it, you'll see here the cable I just disconnected is actually the 4-pin floppy drive power connector that he had plugged into the board, which is not good at all. As you can see at the top left here, you're just supposed to have the 4-pin CPU power and the 24-pin power connector to the motherboard on the right. This cable I'm holding up, you do not need at all. So the other end of that, where is the F panel cable? The F panel cable was actually plugged into a COM port on the left side of the motherboard. That is not needed at all. That should not be connected there. So now that I disconnected that cable, what I'm going to do is actually take that F panel cable and connect it to the F panel pinouts on the actual motherboard, which I have done. Excuse me. Now that I have done that, removed it from the COM port, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and power on the system and make sure that the power button works. As you can see, it does. I'm going to now shut down the system and make sure it shuts down completely and does not try to restart as it was doing before. I could not successfully shut this machine down before, I think due to a short, which was very bad to have power running directly to the board from an F panel pinout. I have seen that done before, and it is a big fire hazard. So as you can see, the screen turned off. In a second here, you should see the CPU fan and memory, everything shut down. So now that everything is shut down, we'll wait for these fans to spin down. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and press the power button to ensure that the power button responds and the system turns on. There we go. Yes, it does. And let's make sure we get a screen. Yes, we do. Once again, this is Corey for Corey's Computer Repair. Thank you for watching.